Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. We just got a brand new 2025 Scout. It's a 175 Sportfish. Awesome boat. Great boat for the lakes right around here to get up in the creeks and do some fishing. This boat comes equipped just like you see it with the bimini top. It's got the cushion package and the front bow cushion and the trolling motor plug-in already installed with the aluminum trailer here. Come on back around here and let me show you the back. It's got a nice little step ladder area right here to get off and on the boat with a 90 Yamaha 4-stroke. Nice quiet motor. Got plenty of power to push this boat anywhere you want. Come on in, I'll show you the inside. Now we're up here in the boat. As I mentioned, this boat has the sports package on it, so which that gives you the cushioning on the cooler here in the front bow, as well as inside your locker storage here. It's got the trolling motor plug-in. That's all part of that package there. Has plenty of room up here, nice and comfortable. Nice cooler here. Come around here, it's got the leaning post, which makes it a lot more comfortable, you know, when you're driving and just kind of relaxing. And of course, you can swing this back and forth if you want to do some fishing off the back of the boat. It's got a couple of storage areas, and you got, let's see, over here, you got a tank over here that you can put fish in. And I believe this one over here is a little bit more storage there as well. It's got plenty of room. You know, we could actually put whatever electronics that you're wanting to put on there. We could do that here. But it's a great boat. If you would like more information on this boat, please contact us here in Greenville at the MarineMax.